So hello guys, welcome to our weekly market review. I'm Pips from FS, and if you just see my video for the first time, I would like you to know that on this channel we create and educating videos that will help you as a forex trader become more successful. So without wasting your time, guys, I'm looking at like two pairs on this video. I'm looking at GBPCAD and also GBPAUD. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys why I'm actually interested in these two pair and what am I looking for. All right, I'm looking for sell opportunity. Now we do top-down analysis. We look at the market from the weekly time frame, sometimes the monthly time frame, depends, to just get the clear picture. As we see, this pair has been bullish, all right, but we see her price on this weekly time frame keep rejecting this level. All right, so if I should expand this, you will see that price have attended that level several times. We have it once, second, third, fourth, and the fifth time even, as we can see, price still trade below it. All right, and now what does that tell us? Since this place has become a point of resistance several times, price will want to push down to go back and try to attend it again. So if we move to the daily time frame, we saw how price actually broke out of it on the daily time frame. All right, because over the time, whenever price get there, we see this kind of rejection, but this time price was able to break above it. And as we know, after every break of market structure, guys, market tends to give us pullback. So this is what has been happening. Let me just show you guys a picture of it. Price has been attending a specific high like this, and it will do what? Pull back, go back, attempt it to pull back again, and do what? Attempt to break it. And that is what has been happening all over this place, here, here, and here. But eventually we broke above it, and we have a shift of market structure. All right, so we attempt it more like 4 times, and we were able to come back and have a break. Now, after having a break of market structure, if you'll be following my video, definitely you know that price will give us a pullback, and this pullback will be at a premium or a discount level. All right, so if I should take my fib 2 and I measure from that overall high to the low that created that pullback, we are going to be looking for the fair value gap in that kind of market condition, or the breaker block, and make sure that this fair value gap or breaker block is below the 50% on the Fibonacci 2. And where can we see that? All right, we saw that this is the low, all right, that created that overall high. So if we should take our fib 2 and measure from that high point and come to this low, what can we see? This is the 50%. Now below that 50%, we can see a fair value gap here, this candle that is not touching. I don't know if I should zoom out so we can see this clearly. All right, so we have this low that created a new high, and we have a fair value gap here, this red candle. So what am I expecting? After every break of structure, we expect price to give us pullback within the external structure. All right, and for that reason, we saw this bearish engulfing candle that is pushing price down, giving us a sign already that sellers are in the market, taking the market back to this level. So if we should move to the 4-hour time frame, what can we see? We see a shift of market structure. A shift of market structure. We can see how price broke structure here and traded down, went back. And so what am I expecting? I'm looking for a sell opportunity. And if I were to actually analyze this trade before now, when I saw this break of structure, I would have even taken advantage of this sell opportunity at this level. Let me mark it for you guys. So when I go there, we can see that here. All right, I would have taken advantage of that pullback, sell from there and start targeting this level. All right, remember this is where we saw the fair value gap. All right, the fair value gap that we are expecting price to trade to. This is the level. All right, now if we are expecting price to get to that level, where can we possibly take this trade to set the market to this direction? This is where we are expecting price to trade to, this level or below this level. All right, now we broke structure already. Price created a low and gave us this. Now we are having a double bottom at this level, so we either going to be seeing price at the market open on Monday break below this level, giving us another shift of market structure, and we just have to wait patiently. If this happens, we have to wait for price to trade back to this level. All right, to this level or even above this level or around this level. So if price break the structure, giving us a clean sense of direction that we are coming down, we just need to wait for a pullback to somewhere here around all this level and look for a shift of market structure and actually sell to target this level. All right, now this is what I'm expecting. In case price open, I will have price push all the way back up. I'll be very happy to see price trade back to this level, and from that level I will definitely sell as well. So I'm expecting two things to happen: price opening and breaking below and giving us a pullback maybe on Tuesday to this level, and we can target a sell to do 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, targeting this level for TP. Remember, this is where we are expecting price to come. All right, we're expecting price to come to this level. So whichever way, if price break and pull back and give me this entry, I would definitely want to sell from there. If also price do not break and price open, I will trade back to this level. I'm definitely going to be selling from there, and in this case my stop loss will be more shorter. It will be something like this, and my take profit will be just something like this. All right, but I doubt with the way the price actually closed, I don't think price will open and trade up. Price will trade down at the opening of the market and wait for that pullback to go, and we take advantage of that kind of market condition. So whichever way, this is what I'll be waiting for. All right, already I know that price is coming to this level, and that is why I'm actually trying to look for opportunity to actually hop on this pullback that I'm expecting price to actually give. So guys, so this is for GBPCAD, and this is what I'm actually expecting. And also for GBPAUD, guys, if you look at the market structure here on the 4-hour time frame, this price is giving us a series of higher, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So I strongly believe this new week we are going to be looking for a sell opportunity. Remember, we bought this pair when price give us these shifts and we buy and hold until we hit our full TP. Now price has done something, sweeping liquidity around this area. And what am I expecting on a pair like this? Guys, I'm actually expecting a confirmation that we are coming down to create another lower low. Now that confirmation will either be this: we have to break structure first, because we have not breaking structure, no confirmation. So I will wait for price to break structure to give me that confirmation that we are coming to create another lower low. All right, if price do not break structure, I do not see a shift in the market, I'm not going to be taking any trade on this pair. Instead, I will just allow it to create a higher high. All right, and maybe I will analyze the market again and come back, but I'm strongly believing we are coming down. So for me to actually believe or see that clearly, I need to wait for price to break structure to the downside. So once we break this low that created that high, that is a confirmation for me. So I will just wait for price to do what? Pull back to maybe somewhere here where we have this fair value gap already, and give us a shift of market structure. All right, and once I see that happen, I will do what? Target a sell all the way to this low, but this will be my first zone to actually look for profit. All right, so you don't want to have unrealistic take profit position as a trader. So what am I trying to tell you guys is, I'm looking for a sell opportunity on this pair only when I have a break of structure on this 4-hour time frame. All right, if you even go to the 1-hour time frame, you will not see any good shift in market structure. Although we broke structure here, we created a low and price went to create a high, and we broke the structure here. So it's a good confirmation as well to both sides that. But one thing is the 4-hour structure shift is more stronger. So if we can have price give me this on the 4-hour, and look here already, we are having some form of liquidity here already. All right, so it would be nice for me to actually see if price can break this structure to give me that 4-hour structure shift, because on the 1-hour time frame we have a structure shift already. All right, and this is more like a pullback. So if price can give me that on the 4-hour for a better confirmation and pull back to this level like I already illustrated, I'll be glad to take that trade and do my 1 to 2 all the way to this level. All right, so this is my expectation. I want to see price actually break this level with a body, not a sweep. If we can get this and price pull back to this level, I will be able to what, take a set trade around this level. So these are some of the 2 most important setup that I'm actually waiting for to play out this new week. All right, this new week. At the time of recording this video, today is Saturday, 18th of October. So guys, if you see my video and you're learning something from this video, you see my page, my TikTok page, YouTube page for the first time, I would do like you to follow, share, and also subscribe. All right, so see you guys on my next video. I'm going to actually review some other pairs, and if you're not following me, you're not going to be able to see all these other pairs, and you're going to be missing out of all this trading opportunity. So guys, if you've seen this video on TikTok, you can actually come to my YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel. This is it, and most of this video I'm recording, I'm going to be uploading here. So do well to follow, like, and subscribe. We have an educating video here packed full for you. If you're struggling with liquidity, come here and watch this video. It's going to explain what liquidity is for you, how you can take advantage of it as a newbie. Also, the difference between pullback and reversal in forex trading. This video is going to enlighten you on that. And we have some other videos packed here. All right, if I should go to my video section here, you will see that we have a lot of videos. As a beginner in forex trading, this is one of the videos I recommend you come and watch, so you will not make a lot of mistakes before you begin your forex trading journey. So you can come here, watch this video. Not only that, if you're struggling with market structure, we have a video on market structure, which I think this video will do you well and impart you with some of the knowledge you need to begin your forex trading journey. And all these videos, just subscribe, and you're not going to regret subscribing to this YouTube channel. So thank you guys, and have a wonderful weekend and week ahead.